This is question number 11 of homework 10 for chapter 9. Review the graph at the right for a monopoly market. Assume the firm is charged a specific tax of tau equals $30 per unit. Use the line drawing tool to draw the new marginal cost curve. Label it MC plus T. So in this setup, we are given the original marginal cost curve and the demand curve, and we know that for a monopoly, the demand curve is not the same as the marginal revenue curve. So we are also provided with the marginal revenue curve. So the optimization problem for a monopoly is to find the intersection between the marginal revenue with the marginal cost. And that determines the quantity, and for the price it has to be on the demand curve, so we simply find the corresponding price that corresponds to the quantity which is at the intersection of the marginal revenue curve and the marginal cost curve. So that's how we determine the optimal price and the quantity of a monopoly. In this setup, it says that the firm is charged a specific tax of tau equals $30 per unit. So when the tax is charged because it's per unit, so the marginal cost must also increase. Increase by how much? It's specific tax. So every unit the tax is the same, $30. So that also means the marginal cost will also go up by $30. That's constant. So with that in mind, we can draw the marginal cost curve first. And so just basically shift the original marginal cost curve by $30. So we just do that. 65, 95. Yeah, that's basically how this is. Just make sure you draw a line which is parallel to the original marginal cost curve, and their vertical distance is $30. So that's my MC plus T. So now with that new marginal cost curve, we just try to find the marginal revenue curve doesn't change, so we just try and find the new intersection of the marginal revenue curve and the marginal cost curve, which is right here. That determines the the quantity. Before that, let me check my answer first. So fantastic. And the new output level, we just found that's 20. So check my answer. Good job. And finally, the new price, as we said, it's on the demand curve, which corresponds to the new output level, which is 20. So we just extend this vertical line to the demand curve, which I suppose this is 70. So $70. And check my answer. Excellent. So I just try to use this question as an example to show you how to determine the basically optimal level of production and the price for a monopoly, especially given a change in its marginal cost curve. For example, when the tax is levied for the monopoly's products.